Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone 12 not turn on after updating to iOS 18. Method 1: Force Reboot. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Method to use recovery mode to restore your iPhone. Connect your device to your computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes. Well, your iPhone is detected. Click the Restore button. OK, click Restore and Update. Just wait patiently to restore your iPhone to the factory settings. Method 3: Use iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. iSunshare iOS Repair Genius is the reliable iOS system recovery software to fix all iOS issues in minutes. Download it from iSunshare.com. After installing the software on your computer, you can open the software instantly. Choose System Repair on the left side. Click Standard Mode to fix the iPhone 12 not turn on issue. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next on the software. OK, the software detects your iPhone successfully. You are asked to download the firmware package. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, click Repair. Then your iPhone will restart and work normally with no data loss. That's all for the video.